Orlando Pirates officially welcomed the new signings in a meaningful induction that connected the present with the club's rich and storied past. The day began at the Rent Stadium, the club's training ground, where the recruit got their first taste of life in the famous black and white. From there, the tour took them to 4503 Kuno Street in Orlando East, the very heart of where it all began, at the home of the founding member Bethuel Mokhosinyane. The players then made an inspiring stop at the Zodwa Khoza Foundation, where they spent time with the learners and were addressed by club legend and foundation ambassador Bashin Mahlangu, who shared words of wisdom about what it takes to wear the Orlando Pirates badge. No Orlando Pirates induction would be complete without a visit to the Orlando Stadium, the mecca of South African football, and the place these new Buccaneers will call home for the 2025-26 season. The induction wrapped up with a warm lunch at the Protea Hotel, where club legends including Tebo Moloi, Edward Motale, and former captains like Khwati, Happy Jele, and Innocent Mahela officially welcomed the new players into the Pirates family. Orlando Pirates are set to make yet another signing in the form of Malian international Sadio Kanouté. According to some reports, Kanouté has represented State, Malian, and Simba, and more recently JS Kabylie in Algeria. And the 28-year-old could make his way to the Betway Premiership to sign with Orlando Pirates. So let me hear your thoughts down below. What do you think of this signing by Orlando Pirates to sign yet another midfielder? Do you think that they need him? Let me hear your thoughts on the comment section. Bloemfontein Celtic will return to the top flight of South African football as they purchase the status of Supersport United. Siwelele will return under the name Celtic United, and they should complete the 50 million rand purchase as the naming right belonging to the former owner. The announcement was broken by renowned sports journalist Robert Marawa. The sale marks the end of an era for Supersport United, a Tshwane-based club that has been a fixture in the Premier Soccer League since 1994, known for nurturing top talent and delivering competitive performances. However, the move signals a revival for Bloemfontein Celtic, a Free State giant with a passionate fan base known as Siwelele. Founded in 1969, Celtic had competed in the PSL until financial woes caused them to sell their status to Royal AM in 2021. Mamelodi Sundowns superstar Lucas Ribeiro Costa is a wanted player. He is a target of few clubs. We understand that Turkish club Trabzonspor has identified Lucas Ribeiro as their key target after his performances at the FIFA Club World Cup. The club has identified Lucas Ribeiro's technical and physical qualities, with the coach looking to bring the Brazilian to Turkey. The Turkish club will make contact with Mamelodi Sundowns regarding the transfer of Lucas Ribeiro. So do you think that Mamelodi Sundowns should sell Lucas Ribeiro? Let me hear your thoughts down below. These are the transfer news for today. Let me hear your thoughts down below. What do you think of this news? See you next time.